With this power bank, you can wirelessly charge your iPhone at 25-watt speed, getting up to 50% in just 30 minutes. You can also use a cable, which delivers 30 watts charging. Plus, you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. This is the new Ugreen MagFlow power bank. Come with me and check out the video where I walk you through everything. Inside the package, you get your MagFlow, safely protected. On the box, you'll find all the specs, including its Qi 2 certification, which guarantees 25-watt wireless charging. Opening it up, you'll find the manuals, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and finally, the MagFlow itself. The design is minimalist and sleek. The front and back have a non-slip plastic finish, while the sides feature a metallic finish. On one corner, there's a strap to carry the power bank. But here's the surprise. That strap is actually an integrated USB-C cable. You can easily detach it and use it to charge any device. The cable is braided, feels durable, and delivers 30-watt output power. If you plug it into a charger, it also charges the MagFlow itself. Next to the cable, there's a USB-C port for connecting an external cable. This port also supports 30-watt output and can be used to recharge the MagFlow as well. On one side, you'll see a small LCD status screen that shows the MagFlow's battery percentage twice. When you're charging a device, a blue lightning icon confirms it's in fast charging mode. And when you use wireless charging, a small LED lights up as well. On the back, you'll find the MagSafe magnet. This is the wireless charging pad with up to 25-watt output, certified by Qi 2. It works with any MagSafe iPhone, but keep in mind, iPhone 16 and 17 models support the full 25-watt wireless charging. iPhone 15 only supports 15-watt wireless charging. With wireless charging, you can go from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes. Using the 30-watt cable, you can reach 50% in just 28 minutes. I ran a 30-minute test charging an iPhone 16, which supports 25 watts. The phone started at 29% and reached 58% in half an hour. That's a 29% gain in 30 minutes. But wait, isn't it supposed to hit 50% in half an hour? Yes, but that only applies from 0% to 50%. After 50%, iPhones intentionally slow down charging speed to protect battery health. From 58%, I switched to the 30-watt USB-C cable and left it charging for 10 minutes. It went up to 67%, which means it gained 9% in 10 minutes. About 1% per minute once you're past the 50% mark. This wireless charging also works with other devices. Some Pixels support Qi 2, and I believe the Galaxy S25 Ultra does as well. The only catch is they don't have MagSafe, so you'd need a MagSafe-compatible case to take advantage of the magnet. Speaking of magnets, the MagFlow magnet is really strong. No matter how much you shake the iPhone, it doesn't come off. On non-MagSafe devices, though, it's harder to keep it in place. The MagFlow can charge multiple devices: an iPhone, a tablet, an Android phone, a game controller, even something like an air duster. It basically charges anything. And yes, you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time, but keep in mind the power gets split. Each cable drops to 7.5 watts. Wireless charging drops to 5W. To fully recharge the MagFlow itself, just use a 30W charger, and it goes from 0% to 100% in about 2 hours. It weighs 250 grams, so it fits comfortably in your pocket. It's easy to carry around. The only downside I found is that the LCD screen scratches very easily, almost just by looking at it. In conclusion, this is a solid power bank, designed mainly for iPhones but useful for tons of devices. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. See you in the next one. Over and out.